be careful how you put the tension on it, you know, and how you move it. See how it's rubbing there? There you go. Yeah. Like a gentle massage, working all areas to be painted. Mainly work on the, like, out here stuff, because that's what's going to be seen. Yeah. And so we got it all washed off, and now we're gonna dry it off, and then hit it with some rubbing alcohol, and then we'll get it ready to paint up. Yeah. Get them things clean. So see down in the vents, still a little dirty. I'm gonna take a Q-tip and get in there and wipe that up real clean. All right, get some Q-tips, and then take this vent and just kind of work it in there. That way you get all the dirt and dust out of there. Nothing sticking to it, making your paint job peel and flake later. See that dirt that's coming off of there? Yeah, exactly. That's all that would have been stuck under your paint. And here you are trying to put all this hard work into getting a good paint job, and then you don't because you missed this step, and then you feel discouraged later and you never fix it, and then you have to deal with people pointing it out to you or something, and you being upset that you never took that extra step and got the Q-tip and cleaned it up decent, you know? So just get in there and do it right the first time. Both sides of the vent, all the way up and down. You're trying to build a clean Foxbody, you're gonna have to go through all this hard work. It ain't gonna be easy. You're not going to be able to sit around and watch a million episodes of, you know, YouTube of this and that, or TV of this and that, and expect to get something done too. You don't want to pay, you know, $60, $80, $100 an hour for somebody to work on your car. You're going to have to get out there and do it yourself. There we go. That one's looking clean as a whistle. We'll move on to the next one. And just, you know, continue that process of just basically getting in there and cleaning it, you know, every little nook and cranny. It's the one spot that you miss. I'm telling you, every time. But if you can do the job without missing a spot, see how dirty that is? Oh, the camera picks up on it too well. See how dirty that is compared to the other side? Okay? That's why you gotta clean it like this, because there's dirt in there. And that's going to stop it from sticking. There you go. Clean as a whistle. Good? Washing these vents out. Getting those cleaned out too. The cleanest fox on earth. We got these cleaned out. Little side vents. And we're gonna have to tape up that black flapper door in the back because we don't want that to turn titanium. So we'll tape that up too before we paint it. And then of course we're gonna have to come back through and paint all these little white squares and the little blender door indicator line and all that stuff. Make it look like it did from the factory. I guess I'll have to rinse the soap off of them actually. What the hell that is? Rag, I guess. Okay guys, so after cleaning it up and doing another inspection, I noticed that there was a bunch of dirt like under that little blender door in the corner, like where I got that Q-tip at, and up in the little crevices in there. So even after it's clean, go back in and clean it again, and you know, just make sure it's 100% clean. Back behind that blender door gear right there was a lot of dirt too. A lot of grime just stuck to the walls. You can see some on the top side of that little blender door right there. And so me and Aiden are just gonna go over it again and clean it up and make sure it's 100.
How do you do this bad of a job?
Hey man.
You dump it in and you missed this entire thing.
I didn't miss the entire thing. That's
right here, you missed all of it.
okay. All right. That's why you got to double check your homework all the time. You got to go over it. And do it right. Get it right. Get it tight. Alright, so now I'll put some isopropyl rubbing alcohol into my handy dandy little sprayer here. And that is going to finish off the cleaning of the little plastic pieces. That's going to help break down the grit and grime that is stuck in those pieces, hopefully. So I'm just going to take this little piece here and just spray it down, get it as wet as possible with this alcohol. The sprayer sucks, by the way. Alright, now that we smell like we have been disinfecting everything.
Come on, let's get this work. Come. Come.
Hydration time, puppies.
Come on.
One side.
Come on, let's get some water. No, get out of there.
Drink that.
Don't drink that. No drinky. I told you in the house. Get your drop. There you go. Come on, let's get some water.
Yeah, these things are filthy. Look at that. Some more dirty Q-tips. Is it coming off? That white stuff? A little bit. Yeah, see the dirt on that Q-tip? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna clean these up and then move it out into the workshop out there, and then we're gonna go get lunch and come back and spray these things down. Let's go get the dash from over there.